In today's video, I will teach you how to make a halftone effect using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File, then Open, and select the image that you want to apply the halftone effect to. An optional step is converting your image to grayscale. If you want a classic halftone look, you may want to convert your image to grayscale. To do this, go to Image, Adjustment, then Black and White. Then adjust the sliders as desired, then click OK. In the Layers panel, right-click on your image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then rename it to Halftone. Then right-click on the halftone layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to apply filters non-destructively. With the halftone layer selected, go to Filter, then select Filter Gallery. In the Filter Gallery, click on the Sketch folder and select Halftone Pattern. Then set the size to adjust the size of the dots, for example, 5 to 10. Now choose Contrast to control the density of the halftone dots. Then click OK to apply the effect. In the Layers panel, select the halftone layer. Then change the blending mode of the halftone layer to Multiply or Overlay to blend it with the original image below, depending on the effect that you prefer. If the halftone effect is too strong, you can adjust the layer's opacity in the Layers panel to achieve your desired look. You can also add effects such as Gaussian blur to soften the halftone effect if necessary. And once you're satisfied with the halftone effect, go to File, then Export As, and choose your desired file format like JPEG or PNG. And now you've successfully created a halftone effect using Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.